So from that, we can say, always remember parental generation, always we have to undergo the cross-pollination. So phenotype is this one in F1 generation. And what is the genotype, everybody? What is the genotype of F1 generation of dihybrid cross? Everybody. Capital Y, capital R, small r. All four are same plants. So this is also we used to call it as law of dominance. Clear, everyone? Purima, Ellame, please respond. This is only we can say law of dominance. Clear? Next, law of segregation. The character which is disappear in the first generation, F1 generation, will be reappear in the what generation, everybody? It will be again reappear in the, yes please, F1 generation it is disappear. It will be reappear in the what generation? Even we have noticed it in monohybrid also. Dwarfness is disappear in the F1 generation and again it is reappear in the what? Reappear in the what? F2 generation. That is only we can say law of segregation. Tomorrow we will study that. So now this is the genotype of dihybrid. That is what? Dihybrid cross of genotype of F1 generation. This is F1 generation genotype. That is very, very important. Now, he has taken a 2 plants of F1 generation and allowed for self-pollination or cross-pollination. You all should say, I am not. Again, he allowed for what? Self-pollination or cross-pollination. F2 generation he wants to form. So he allowed for cross-pollination or self-pollination. Everyone, self-pollination. Remember, F1 crossing is always self-pollination. Parental crossing is always what? Everybody. Yes, that is what. So now F1 crossing. So F1 crossing is itself is a what? Self-pollination. So first, this is the most important one. And they will ask you in exam also many times. Many people, they will struggle to write. It is the easiest one. You no need to by heart anything. As simple as possible, you can finish it. Only you have to form the gametes. That's all. So you have to take now F1 progeny. F1 progeny, take any two plants. You have 4 plants. I'm asking you to take any 2 plants and tell me. What is that F1 progeny 2 plants? Everybody should tell. Yellow round and another one is also what? Yellow round. Selfing. Selfing means what? Self-pollination. Into again yellow round only. Yellow round. What is the genotype? Factors of inheritance. What is the factors of inheritance? Tell me. Factors of inheritance. First, at least, okay. Tell me the genotype. What is the genotype of yellow round? F1 generation, guys. F1 generation. Capital Y, small y. Capital R, small r. Here also, capital Y, small y. Capital R, small r. Now, this is the most crucial step. Here, before one, if you notice it, gametes formation, we have only pure parents we have. So gametes are only 4. Purima ellame. Now we have pure homozygous plus heterozygous, both dominant and recessive gene as a together. So that each one will form factors of inheritance. You can see. Understand everybody? Factors of inheritance is capital Y, small y, capital R, small r. Next, capital Y, small y, capital R, small r. So this much inheritance will be there, factors of inheritance. Now gametes you have to form it. Each one tell me what is the gametes will form. So gametes possibilities, because first one more, what is that? F1 parental generation, they will disappear, and F2 generation, they will reappear. So each characteristic will be forming the gamete. So first, capital Y with the capital R, you can form. What is the first gamete will form? Everybody speak loudly. Capital Y with a capital R. Second one, capital Y with a small r. Capital Y with a small r. Next, small y. Oh, here, small y with the capital R. That is what? Capital R, small y. Any problem for anybody, you can ask me. Or else you can write exactly small y, capital R. Your choice. Small y, capital R. Last one, small y, small r. Small y, small r. Any problem for anybody? You can ask me. Are you clear, guys? Everyone, please respond. That is the 4 gametes. Same way here also 4 gametes. Speak loudly. What is that? Capital Y, capital R, one gamete. Second one, capital Y, small r, second gamete. Next one, small y, capital R, third gamete. Next one, small y, small r. So these are the 4 gametes. Anybody having any problem, you can ask me. Unless you understand the gamete formation, it is impossible to study the F2 generation. Okay, guys, everybody? Do you understand, Amma? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So these are the gametes from one first hybrid, and these are the gametes from second hybrid. Anything you can take, you can notice it. So now we want to get F2 prosody. So let us see how to get the F2 prosody. F2 prosody. This is the most important one. So very simplest way. So what we can do, you can write like this. All of you see that. So just a minute. I'll make it simply. So let me take the insert the column. Yeah. So with the 4:4. Yes. So this is the perfect one. So I'll make it. Yeah. I'll insert one more column so that you can notice it. It's very simple. So I'm saying you correct. As simple as possible, you can write it. And up also I have to make 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Okay. Insert just exactly left. Okay. So now you can see, guys, how we will write it. So all of you observe. First, here, gametes from one hybrid. All of you tell me, what is the gametes from one hybrid? Gametes from one hybrid. Tell me all 4 gametes, everybody. First hybrid. What is that, everybody? You all speak.
Capital Y, capital R.
Capital Y, small, capital R, small r. Next one. Small y,
Small Y,
capital
capital
R.
R.
Next one.
Small Y, smaller.
One small mistake we have done. So, yeah, here also a correct one. So now you can notice. Just a minute. From here we have. Okay. So it is the gamete. You can write it. So that is better. Gametes. So what are the gametes? First gamete, capital Y, capital R. Next one, capital Y, small r. Next
Capital
one,
smaller.
small y, capital R. Next one, small y, small r.
Smaller. Smaller.
Gametes of second hybrid. Tell me, everybody, what is that? Gametes of second hybrid or other hybrid. Everyone, what is the other hybrid
Capital Y,
gametes?
capital R.
Yes, again same. What is that? Capital Y,
Capital
capital R. Next one, capital Y,
Y, smaller.
small y, capital R, small y, small.
Small Y,
Okay?
smaller.
Now you all can see it's very simplest way we can write. So just nothing like mathematics only, we are crossing 4 cross 4, nothing else is there. So with this all you write. Next, with this all, with this all, with this all. Adjustment and all your choice, nothing will happen. Capital R, now first with this, select this one, with this all you write it. You speak. Who is that? Please mute yourself. Now see, very simple. Capital R, capital Y, capital R, capital Y, capital R. So that what is the gamete formation? Let's everybody tell me. Capital Y, capital Y, capital R, capital R. Purima, ellame understand ma? So now all are capital letters. So it is a pure homozygous or heterozygous? Everybody?
Homozygous.
Homozygous. Very good. Next. Capital R, capital Y, capital Y, capital Y, capital Y. Capital R, small r. Capital R, small r. Over. Next. Capital Y, small y. Capital R, capital R. Over. Next. Capital Y, small y. capital Y, small y, capital R, small r. Is it Purima? Ellame understood, Amma? Please respond. Everybody?
Yes.
Clear. So with this all the four over. Next, you want, you can write directly also, guys. Later rearrange the letters. No issues. Next, second one, tell me. You should tell capital Y, small r, and here capital Y, capital R, capital Y, capital Y, capital R.
Capital R,
Smaller.
small r.
Second one, everybody. Second one,
Capital Y, capital Y.
capital Y, capital Y, capital Y, capital Y,
Smaller.
small r.
Smaller.
Next,
Smaller.
capital Y,
Capital
small y, capital R, small.
Capital R,
This
small r.
crossing. Remember, like this, over 4. Just one with this. Next one with this all. Just next third one, fourth one, over. Last one, capital Y, small y, and smaller and smaller, smaller. Any doubt? Anybody you can ask. Next. Hey, who is that? Mute yourself. Next. Third one, tell me everybody. You should speak. Here, see, third one, you have to select this one. So what is that? Small y, capital Y. So I will write capital Y, small y, capital R, capital R. So I will write capital R, capital R. Next. All of you. Again, capital Y, small y, capital Y, small y, capital R, capital R, small r. Next. Small y, small y, small y, small y, but capital R, capital R, capital R, capital R. Next, small y, capital R, smaller, capital R, smaller. Okay, that's all. Last one, small y, capital Y. So what will happen? Capital Y, small y, capital R, smaller, capital R, smaller. Next, capital Y, small y, and RR, both are small, small RR. Last one. Next, small y, capital R, small r. Last one, small y, small r, small r. Any problem for anybody? Just you have to swap it, over it is. So first select this gamut, go with all these 4. Second gamut, all these 4. Third gamut, all these 4. Fourth gamut, all these 4. If, sorry, shall I need to write only like this? You can write normally also. For example, I'll say, later you can rearrange it. Your choice. Pencil if you write, if you are confusing. I'll write with this, all these 4. You can see. I'll write it all. Capital YR, capital YR, capital YR, capital YR. What? This one. 4 times I written. Now you added this, that's all. So YR, here capital Y, small r, here small y, capital R, here small y, small r. Now you can replace, remodify it. What is that? Capital Y, capital Y, capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital R, capital Y, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, capital R, capital R, capital Y, small y, capital R, small r. All are same or not? Verify it. Is it right, everybody? Do you understand? So whatever it is, doesn't matter. You just need to swap it very carefully. So just rearranging the letters, single characters should come together because genes are always together, pair. They won't be allowed single. So that's all it is. Now you have to write the characteristics. So what is the characteristics? So I'll change the color also. You can notice first we'll write all pure. Pure alone, you all see that, guys. Now, all of you see. Pure alone, tell me. Pure means what? Both homozygous. That is what is the pure. Now both capital RR, capital YY, capital RR. What is the characteristic? Tell me. Later we'll say pure. What is the characteristic? Speak loudly. Yellow and round. Very good. Here both capital YY. So I will say dominant. Yellow. At least one R, one capital R is there. So that we'll get what? Everybody.
Round.
Next, at least one capital Y, so yellow. At least one capital R, both are capital R, so it is a what? Everybody.
Round.
At least one capital Y, one capital R. So that what is happened? Everybody.
Yellow
and round. You say only it will be coming. I say means what? I know already. Next, capital YY, capital R. At least one R is there. So again, what will get? Everyone.
Yellow
And round. Okay, so your choice. Okay, just I reverse it, you can make it. Next, Here at least one capital, both are capital Y. So what is that? Yes, please.
Yellow.
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 But both are small RR. So that what? It is
Wrinkled.
Green.
wrinkled. Understanding? Green. Yaradi. So yellow and yes, please.
Wrinkled.
Both are RR, wrinkled. Clear, everyone? Now, before that, I will say you listen, guys. Now, this is the most important one. Note it, everybody. Capital YY, it is yellow. Capital Y, small y, yellow. If you know this, nobody can stop you to make a mistake in the exam. Next, capital RR, round. Capital R, small r, round. So these are called it as dominant. Note it, everyone. Dominant. Clear? In this, capital Y, capital Y, capital R, capital R. This is homozygous. Enadi? Homozygous. Clear? Ms. Haris Zairas? It is homozygous. Rendu mattada. Capital Y, capital R. Understand, Mr. Vijay? Next. Wrinkled, you can see green. Green means only both small y, and wrinkled means only small r. This is already pure. This is a homozygous. Only possibilities. This is only. Clear? So no other possibilities for green and wrinkle. That's all it is. So you have to remember it and you have to proceed fastly. So next, at least one capital Y is there. So it is a what? Dominant or recessive? Dominant, yellow. And at least one capital R. At least one capital Y, but both are small RR. So here what? Everybody, yellow and round. Next one speak. Next one what? Yellow and wrinkled. Next, at least one capital and both capital RR. Yellow and round. That is what. See, this one, nowhere you can. This is, you should listen and you have to form it. If you know this, nobody can make mistake in this. Okay, that is what it is. Next, capital Y. At least one capital letter you are seeing. What else? You can immediately, you can say what? Yellow. At least one capital letter, yellow and round. Both are small YY. Both are small YY. What is this? Pakranga. Both are small YY. Green. But both are capital RR. So what is that?
Round. Green round.
Next. Yeah. So this is the what? Pure homozygous or heterozygous? This is pure homozygous. That is. Next. This is C. Capital small YY. Again what? Green.
Round.
At least one capital R. So that what?
Round.
Prima. That is. Yes, Rohit. YR ille. YY RR. Capital RR, capital YY. Prima. At least one capital is there. It is yellow. But at least one capital R is there. It is round. Prima, Rohit. Next. At least one capital Y is there. So it is a what? Everybody.
Yellow.
At least one capital R is there. What is that?
Round.
At least one capital Y is there. What is this?
Yellow.
Both are small RR. Wrinkle. Both are small YY. Both are small YY. Green. At least one capital R.
Round.
Both are small YY. Both are small RR.
Wrinkle.
Over. Now you can see last one. Again, both are pure. Small YY, small RR. So homozygous or heterozygous?
Homozygous.
Okay. So till here you make it. Now let me take everybody. So two more minutes I'll take and we'll continue. So just wait. Okay. 2 minutes. I'll inform to 9th class. Okay. Now let us go with another color and we'll count it. So actually here I'm simplest ratio I'm teaching. Later further we'll continue from here in our tomorrow's class. So now we are going to write phenotypic ratio. So just I am writing common phenotypic ratio. This is the phenotypic dihybrid ratio. So phenotypic what ratio? Everybody? dihybrid ratio. So what is this ratio means? Very simple. The question, phenotypic dihybrid, simply they are asking round yellow seeds or yellow round seeds. Next one, they are asking yellow wrinkled seeds. Okay, next one what? Green round seeds and green wrinkled seeds. So please write it neatly. Yellow round seeds and yellow wrinkled seeds and green round seeds and green wrinkled seeds. This is the ratio we have to find it. Okay. First, let us go with the round yellow. So count it, everybody. Round yellow, how many? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, 5. Next, 6. Next, 7. Next, 8. Next, 9. Am I right? Any other is there? Yellow
No, sir.
round. Totally, how many are there?
No, sir.
How many are there?
9.
9. Clear? Next, yellow wrinkled. Yellow wrinkled count pona ellame. Yellow and wrinkle. It has to be yellow and wrinkle. Yellow and wrinkle. 1. Yellow and wrinkle. 2. Yellow and wrinkle. 3. Any other? Any other,
No.
everybody? No.
No.
3. Next, green and round. Count it, everyone. Green and round. Green and round. Everybody.
3.
Green and round. You can see 1, 2, 3. Any other? Everyone?
No,
3.
sir.
Green and round. 3. Last one. Green and wrinkle. Green and wrinkle.
1.
Only 1. Purema.
1.
So only 1 is coming. So that is what it is. Green and wrinkle. So this is only call it as. This is only call it as. What does you say? Everyone? Phenotypic dihybrid ratio. Phenotypic dihybrid ratio. Purima. Ellame. Do you understand, Amma? Yes, all of you. Mr. Swadan. Sleeping ah. That is what. Okay. All of you clear ah? This is dihybrid ratio. Okay. If they ask you pure, then you have to be very, very careful. So for example, they ask you pure round and yellow seeds. How many? Pure round and yellow seeds. Fastly, just let me take. Who will say first? Harish?
1.
Pure and yellow. What is the ratio?
1.
Pure and yellow. Everybody. That is what. So now I will teach you that. You all observe very carefully. You count it and tell me the ratio accordingly. Now I will say you observe very carefully. Dominant one possible genotype. Dominant one. Dominant possible genotypes. According to that, you have to write it. Okay. Possible genotype. Everybody make it. This is the extremely important one. First one. What is the dominant characters? Speak loudly, everybody. What is the dominant character? What is the dominant characters, guys?
Yellow and
Yellow.
round.
Yellow and round. So I will write the possible genotypes. Pakranga ellame. Everybody. Capital R, capital Y, capital Y. Any doubt? Anybody? Capital R, small r, capital Y, capital Y. Next, capital R, capital Y, small y. These are the R last possibility. Capital R, capital Y, small y. So these are the only 4 possibilities of dominant gene. No other possibility will come. But I reversed it here. Yellow round, I written what? Everybody? Round yellow. So you can take opposite. Capital Y, capital Y, capital R, capital R. Capital Y, capital Y, capital R, small r. Next one, capital Y, small y, capital R. Last one, capital Y, small y, capital R, small r. So other than this, no other possibilities for dominant one. Exam, they will ask you only this. What is the possible dominant genotypes of a dihybrid cross or monohybrid cross? So is it difficult to write? No other possibilities. Do you understand what I'm saying? Mr. Harish, Nimesh, Pugal, clear? Everybody? Abhrami? Yeah. So mind always remember. In this, they will ask you pure. Pure means how many are there? Pakranga. How many pure? Pure how many? Only one. Homozygous. Homozygous means only how many, guys? Only
One.
one. That is all.
One.
Okay. Next. Capital YY, small RR. You have to write this ratio. So find it and you tell me. Capital Y, capital RR is to capital Y, capital Y, capital R, small r is to next small capital Y, capital RR is to capital Y, small y, capital R, small r. This ratio you have to find this from this table because that is only they will ask you in the exam. Next, recessive gene. Recessive one, only single possibility. What is that, everybody? No other possibilities.
Small,
What?
Small y, small y,
Yes.
small or smaller.
Small y, smaller, smaller. Over. No other things. Clear, everyone? Or there is another possibilities. Suppose you get green and round. Green and round genotypes. I'm saying you listen, everybody. Green is a dominant or recessive? Green is the dominant or recessive? Recessive. So small y. Round is the dominant one. So either capital R or what is another possibility? Small y, small.
Capital or smaller.
Only these two possibilities. No other two possibilities. Whomever you can take. Next, yellow and wrinkled. Yellow and wrinkled. This is the another one. Only two possibilities again. Yellow is the dominant one. So either capital Y, capital Y. Wrinkled is a recessive. What is that? Smaller.
Smaller or smaller.
Or else capital Y, small y. Smaller, smaller. So only these two possibilities. Other than this, is there any other possibilities? Any other two possibilities? Anybody?
No.
No. So no other possibilities for this. So this is also you should write a ratio. So I'm adding it. Write it. Small y, capital R is 2. Small y, capital R, small r is 2. Capital Y, small r is 2. Capital Y, small r. This entire ratio, this is the original phenotypic ratio of dihybrid cross. You all should tell, form it and text me within 2 minutes. Everybody's I'm saying. If I'm not receiving message, I'm not going to allow you to the class. Remember, everybody. Okay. Thank you, everybody. I hope you all understanding. Now today leave only correct. 10 o'clock only class. So 1 hour time you have to, every one of you, if you know or don't know, doesn't matter. You have to spend this 1 hour to this one only. Yarra idi Harish 69 war the idiot fellow. 69 VCB. Hey, somebody is playing Ra. See that when I call them, immediately they left from the meeting. And what he mentioned in the group, you see that common message. Hey, Swatan, find that fellow Ra. Yaar they? Such a worst fellow says. You see that? Okay. So 1 hour your time, you spend it and practice it and let me know either you find it or not. This ratio I want to receive immediately. What ratio? This fully. And you remember, if you learn this one, none can stop you in the any kind of question. So what is the exact genotypes for possible genotypes for every character we have written now? So other than this, no other question will come in the exam. 100% you will get the same questions. Same, but maybe they may change the character. Here we are taking yellow round and green wrinkle. Exam, they may take brown hair, like eyes, they will ask you human eyes, brown eyes, green eyes, light eyes. That is what. No other possibilities. So just make it and practice it and let me know who will say the ratios. Let me take it. Okay. So totally how many ratios it has to come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is what I want to receive. Okay, va? Ellame. Any other possibilities there? Yes. Last one is there. What is that? I forgot it. What is the last one? Small yy, small r. 9 total. Small yy, small r. That is the ratio I wanted. Okay, Hari? Nidakshri? Is it ready, everybody? So join only with the number, otherwise don't join. Okay? Whomever it is. Mr. Reddy and Sanjay, Kaushik and all. No number, don't join. Okay? Thank you, everybody. Make it fast and 10 o'clock we'll meet.
Thank you.